May 19th, solving problems. Shame is the first feeling that strikes me whenever I or someone I love has a problem, said one recovering woman. Many of us were raised with the belief that having a problem is something to be ashamed of. This belief can do many damaging things to us. It can stop us from identifying our problems. It can make us feel alienated or inferior when we have or someone we love has a problem. Shame can block us from solving a problem and finding the gift from the problem. Problems are a part of life, so are solutions. People have problems, but we and our self-esteem are separate from our problems. Yet, I've yet to meet a person who didn't have problems to solve, but I've met many who felt ashamed to talk about the problems they actually had solved. We are more than our problems. Even if our problem is our own behavior, the problem is not who we are. It's what we did. It's okay to have problems. It's okay to talk about problems at appropriate times and with safe people. It's okay to solve problems. And we're okay even if we have, or someone we love has a problem. We don't have to forfeit our personal power or our self-esteem. We have solved exactly the problems we've needed to solve to become who we are. Today, I will let go of my shame about my problems. I'm Herb the Addictaholic. This is the language of letting go. And if you're problem-free, you're lying. No, it's true. I mean, we all have problems of many faces, and there's often times where I used to, have an issue and then I would turn in on myself because of whatever that issue problem was, and a lot of times I would try to bleed that problem into other parts of my life in negative ways versus like facing the problem and looking for a solution. I would just try to spread the problem, not intentionally, but something happens at work that's kind of a problem. I would go tell another coworker, oh, this and that's going on, and man, this sucks, and like bleed that negativity into them, and then they would be like, oh yeah, it does suck, and then next thing you know, they're having a problem, or they're feeling mine, or I'm feeling somebody else's. My wife's having an issue with our son, and so there's two people I love having a problem, and then both of their negativity would bleed into me, and like we're all focusing on the problem rather than looking for some kind of a solution. And today I'm solution oriented. Today I can look for a way to fix something, and if not, give myself a little bit of space until I'm in a good frame of mind, but try not to carry shame that the problem exists. If I'm not good at math, that's a problem, especially in my job, because I need math to do a lot of the electrical stuff that I do. But I know that I can learn it. I know that there's a way. There's plenty of YouTube videos out there where I can go learn some math. I could take a class. I could ask somebody, instead of feeling shameful about it. Oh, I don't know this part of math. Oh, I suck. Like, no, I'm going to go figure it out. And it might be hard for me to learn a certain math problem, or a formula, but it is learnable, it is attainable. I can do it. And even if it takes extra effort, if it took you a day, it might take me a week, but it's going to happen. I can do it. And then once I know it, I can move on, and I can solve those problems easier. But if I'm afraid of it, and if I'm ashamed of it, and if I never tackle it because of those fear and shame feelings, then it's going to continue to be a problem, and if not, get worse. So yeah, I'm going to face those problems, and I'm going to stop being ashamed of them. So thank you guys for coming out. Hope to see you tomorrow. Keep coming back. It works if you work it.